Does that seem familiar? If so, today we're going to fix that in a 2004 Nissan Sentra SCR. I'm 383 GT, welcome to my channel. For this repair, you're going to need the blower motor resistor, a long Phillips screwdriver, and a short Phillips screwdriver. The resistor is located here, inside the glove box. Well, technically behind it. So, in order to get to it, we're going to have to open up the glove box. There are going to be these two retaining pins here and there. I already have that one undone. So what you're going to do now is there's a pin up here, just kind of pivot it out of the way. And then you'll see your two screws right here and right here that you're going to need to remove. Once those two screws are removed, you can remove this cover here, which is going to allow access underneath, which you're going to need. This is a pain in the ass to get to. I recommend carefully putting that somewhere else. Now that I'm contorted into position, I can show you underneath the glove box what you're going to be looking for. It's all the way back here. All the way back there to the left. Do you see that little brown connector? The color might be different in your car, but that's what you're after. There's a screw on the front and on the back. You're going to need your little screwdriver to get to those screws. So let's unscrew those. This one's a little bit of a pain to get to, but you'll be able to get it as long as your screwdriver's short enough. For the other one, I might need to get this thing out of the way too. This white thing right here. Don't mind my crappy camera work. Getting this thing out of the way is just going to make the job a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And I'm going to go ahead and remove that right there. When you remove your screws and your quarters, make sure you don't misplace any of them. Next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and pull that down. And that should come right out. That's your old blower motor resistor. You can actually see the back of it. Might be kind of burnt or something like that. There it is right there. That trace, that's the root cause. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it and plug the new one in next. Unplugging these connections is pretty easy. Just press that button and then pull it away. You might need two hands though. When you plug the new one in, make sure you get a nice satisfying snap. Like that. Shove the new one back in where the old one was. It should go in pretty easily. Replace your screws, and then we're going to have to go ahead and replace that white thing too. Now that everything's nice and screwed back into place, including this, I can go ahead and put that cover back on. Line those little areas up there and there with those clips there and there, like that. And then get that line back up there, and then replace those two screws. Now get your glove box back in place and push those little clips back in. Your car may only have one clip, and if it's missing the clips, your glove box is probably really loose. Let's test it out. I have all my settings back. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the things. Catch you next time.